Welcome to our June review. Yes, it's at the end of June now, and here we are to tell you how well we're getting on throughout the June period and what we've done and what we've harvested, and has it been successful or not. So June has been a hot month, a very hot month indeed, and they're looking at possibly getting a drought. But we have been keeping things watered, keeping it hydrated, keeping things growing, and managing to keep on top of the weeds. Our tomatoes are doing absolutely fantastic. They're not ripening yet, but we've got loads of tomatoes on there. There's peppers. We're getting some peppers on our plants now. The ants keep nibbling at them, which I'm not happy about. My melons, they're starting to take off. They're starting to spread. So fingers crossed we get some melons this year. That is one thing that I do want to get. Cooking apples, absolutely fantastic. Hundreds of cooking apples on my tree this year, as well as eating apples, as plums, as pears, all doing fantastic. Now we've been harvesting our loganberries over the last few weeks. They've been absolutely delicious. If you've not got a loganberry bush, it's worthwhile getting one, and they'll produce fantastic fruit on them, a bit like a raspberry, but they're thornless as well and absolutely gorgeous. Also, our red gooseberries, we've been harvesting all them. They aren't thornless, unfortunately. You prickle yourself to death while you're trying to get them, but red gooseberries are delicious. They're a sweet variety. The green ones are the sour, red ones are the sweet, and I prefer them red ones to the green ones. Absolutely tons nicer. As lettuce, we've been picking as a lettuce. It's cut and come again, so we just keep snipping some off, taking it home, eating it when ready. As potatoes are coming along good, we'll be harvesting them soon. We've got a pumpkin growing, a couple of pumpkins on as plants. My courgettes aren't doing well. I don't know why they're not getting courgettes on them. Fingers crossed we do get some. They're taking a long time to get growing, but hopefully we get some courgettes off. The sunflowers are growing massive. I think as red ones are going to be coming out soon, so I'll be sharing lots of photos of them when they do start to pop open. Spring onion, doing absolutely fantastic. I'm growing it in bunches. I'm not growing it in rows, I'm growing it in bunches. It's looking absolutely fantastic, and hopefully produce some great spring onions. Sweet corn, absolutely massive. It's growing so well this year. I'm so impressed with how well it's actually growing. So hopefully we're going to get some massive cobs on them. But I'll keep you all updated with how well they're getting on and how well they're growing. But overall, this month has been pretty well. We've sown some more seeds. We've sown some beetroot seeds, some more spring onion seeds, some more pea seeds, some more radishes. We've been sowing a lot this month because we want to keep that harvest growing all the way through the year and getting lots and lots of produce off. So I hope you've enjoyed that June recap of how well we've got on this year. And remember to give it a share, give it a repost, give me a follow to stay up to date with all our tips and advice. We'll be sharing our tips on what seeds to grow in July coming up soon, so make sure you stay tuned for that. Until next time everyone, remember, keep smiling, keep shining, and keep gardening with Ben everyone.